channel. Today I will show my third video, that is a design of drum by making revolve command, by using revolve command. In this we have to make only half portion of this, from starting here this point to continue this line to end this point, at this point. So let's start to make this. New part, select part, OK. Take front plane, sketch, make center line from origin, make a rough sketch, rough geometry. For that, take point from anywhere, make this line horizontal so that it will be straight. Now apply smart dimensions from command manager. Select smart dimension, click from center line to this point, make it dimension as 28 mm. Take again smart dimension from center line to this point, make 34 mm diameter. Make this end point, and this is bigger one diameter, that is 98 mm. Now here total height is 44 mm. Now again I have to take some heights. Now this thickness, take from this point to this point, that is 15 mm. See, take this bottom line of the sketch, from center line to this, take dimension 34 mm. Now we have given all the dimension of this, but here are some lines that are underdefined. To make it fully defined, this select line fix, but it says over defined, so I will delete this. Okay. Now choose, click OK. Now choose revolve. Axis of revolution, take center line of the sketch, then click OK. Now here one hole is there of 16 mm diameter from center line of this drawing, from center line of the axis of geometry. So I will make it from here. Take, select this plane, top plane of the surface, right click, sketch, normal to profile, smart dimension 16 mm. Click OK. Take fillet from command manager. It's our second last step. Take constant size fillet. Now select edges. From top edge it will be it will be 2 mm. Okay. Again choose fillet. Take this take this edge, make 2 mm, select 2 mm only, symmetric. Okay. Now again fillet this edge, 3 mm radius. Okay. And the last fillet will be at outside edge of this circle. Click this 5 mm. Sorry, this edge 5 mm. Okay. Now in our 2D sketch it shows 4 holes having diameter 6 mm on PCD 60. PCD means full form is pitch circle diameter, so I have to make 60 mm PCD on this drawing here. So I will choose this plane, sketch, normal to profile, make center line, okay. Okay, choose this circle as for construction. Okay, make fully define. Take circle, sketch this, and diameter will be 6 mm. So here are 4 circles on there on our drawing. So I will choose circular sketch from linear sketch pattern. Choose circular sketch pattern. Axis will be this. And choose this sketch geometric circle. Angle will be 360 degree only. Click OK. Confirm this sketch. Confirm this geometry. Now select extrude cut. It automatically selects all 4 holes of PCD 60 mm and diameter of hole is 6 mm. Click OK. So our 3D sketch is finished. If you want to give any appearances, you can give it by your own or by your own choice. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching it.